Important facts about making money on the internet. Do you want to have a little extra money coming into your house? What about an entirely new job? How would you like to do that from the comfort of your own home on the internet? That is possible, and you just need to learn some tips about making money online. Keep watching for some great advice. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Build a schedule for your daily activity. You'll have to stick with it to earn money. There are no legitimate get-rich-quick opportunities. Diligence is key. Make specific times to work every day. Just an hour each day can add up over time. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. Today there are many assistant positions available online. If you are good at office tasks and are technically savvy, you could be a virtual assistant providing office support, telephone or VoIP support and possible customer service. You may need some training to perform these functions, however, a nonprofit group called International Virtual Assistants Association can help you get the training and certifications you may need. You know that there are online money-making opportunities that are legitimate, but you also need to know that there are many scams too. Therefore, it is necessary to thoroughly vet potential enterprises before signing on. You can check out if a company is legit on the BBB website. Working online is likely not to make you a millionaire overnight. Even Perez Hilton or Ariana Huffington had to work hard to get their sites to be popular. The same goes for you, whether you are writing SEO videos or designing websites. Don't let frustration cause you to quit if you don't strike it rich quickly. Now that you've had a chance to read about making money online, you can start to do it. All you need to do is to use the suggestions above, and you'll be well on your way. Soon you can make a bit more money, or even start a whole new life due to your earnings. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.